Hi everyone, we are back again with another transformation video. In today's video, we are transforming panniers that will go on Harley Davidson Fat Bob motorcycle that we have custom painted earlier. Parts we have received are already primed. So in first step, we will remove all the attachments, lock and hinges from the panniers. After deep examination, we observed that some areas need filler touch-up of some pinholes and little sanding to level up the surface. Further, we will apply 2 more coats of primer to the parts. After the primer has dried, we will apply the base coat color that is metallic deep berry red. After the base has dried, we will start the designing process. First of all, we are going to lay the masking for the flame pattern, and in order to do that we're going to require fine line masking tape. Then we will mask the left out area with thick masking tape to avoid any spray over the unwanted areas. To differentiate the flame pattern, we will add some bright candy over the flames. So now in our next step, we will add skull patterns of darker shade of the base color inside the flames. Now with bright red color, we will add some stripes border to the flames. Let's remove the masking form the parts. After the masking removal process is done, we will clear coat the parts with 3 to 4 coats of ultra clear coat. Now the clear has dried, and further we will again sand down the parts to remove any defects in the clear coat. After the sanding is sewn, we will buff the parts with rubbing compound. Channel to stay updated with our upcoming transformation videos.